video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a mixture that can help you have an instantly glowing skin. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. If you've not tried any of my recipe out yet, please make sure you try this out. It gives an instant result. And before you continue watching the video, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up before you continue watching the video. I noticed that most of our viewers are female. I wonder why the male are not clicking into this natural remedy of having a smooth looking face. So if you are a male, don't click away. Make sure you watch this particular video. It helps you have a glowing skin instantly. So I usually make this mixture at night and place it in my washroom or my bathroom, because usually during the weekdays in the morning we are usually in a rush to go out to work, to go out to our businesses and go out about our daily activities. So we usually have a little time to take care of our skin. So if you want to be intentional, make sure you make this mixture at night and place it in your bathroom. So I have made my mixture already since yesterday and it's in my washroom. So come with me and let's go and have that glowing skin.